I think I might have found a venue. This venue is currently giving what it's supposed to give. It's ticking all the boxes. The venue is clean. The venue is well kept. So I basically want a venue that doesn't need a lot of tweaking so that the pictures are nice, because I'm thinking garden wedding. So this venue is currently giving that. I love that my guests will have ample space to take pictures. I also love that this area I'll be using for starters, drinks. It will be amazing. A venue that's clean even before being decorated. This is exactly what I've been looking for, and this is exactly what I'll be using for the wedding. I am so excited to see what we'll be doing with this venue. If you haven't followed yet, do give me a follow and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is on my bio.